With life always going so fast, we often forget to take some days slow and be present in the moment. As a mom, you always have that rush feeling, even if your kids are not even around. I have been learning to slow down on my routines and stick to some non negotiables. That ultimately makes me feel good throughout my day. Remember that, especially as the woman of the household, we always set the tone for the house, and your family feeds off of our energy. Don't forget to fill your cup first. Happy Monday. It's Monday today. So today we have started off pretty good, pretty productive. I took the girls to school, gotta make sure I did my skincare. I am trying to be consistent with my skincare, y'all. Because this pregnancy, I don't know, but even before the pregnancy, I would have like the hormonal acne, but with being pregnant, it seems like it's been a little bit more aggressive. So I know for a fact that I have to stay on my skincare morning and night. And if I don't, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be all bad. So I've been trying to stay really consistent with it. Even when I'm tired, even when I feel like I don't have to do it, I'm doing it. Like we keeping it going. And that's part of habit change. That's a part of just doing the hard things, doing things that you don't feel like doing, because they will turn out to become a habit. And especially with great habits that you won't regret learning, like those are more of the things that I'm trying to do, especially with all these life changes with a new baby coming. And it's such a transition with me not having a baby. And my youngest is 11, so it's crazy. It just pretty much feels like a brand new experience for the family. So we're excited, but I'm also nervous because it's gonna be such a transition. It's gonna be totally new. So we're just getting ready for that. So, just want to say, just take your time. Take a few hours out of the day. Make sure you're pouring into yourself. It don't matter if when I'm doing my skincare, I try to listen to like a podcast or something like that. I went to Target this morning. I got me some weights, some arm weights, because I only have 25 pound weights, and I could not lift them things over my head. Okay. So I got me like some 8-pound weights, so I can just start, doing a few arm movements and stuff. Just try to keep this tight or whatever. What else? Oh, and we got some more towels and rags. I needed more towels and rags. So yeah, so this morning we're starting off good. I've logged into work. I haven't started work just yet. It's 10:04. About to do my devotion. We're gonna make a smoothie a little later. I'm gonna try to pretty much show you guys like what I've been trying to incorporate with keeping staying on track and keeping my life together and keeping like a healthy pregnancy. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing, what's been working for me. I am in my second trimester. I am actually 17 weeks today, so that's exciting. Time is zooming, time is flying, so we're excited, but we want to stay healthy. We want to, when I drop this baby, I want to be able to have a pretty good, not speedy recovery, but a smooth transition from my body not being pregnant anymore. So we're excited about that. But anyway, I want to read this devotion to you. It is May 15th, so I'm going to read the May 15th date. This is the 1-minute devotions for young women. Okay. So, come to me, all of you who are weary and carry heavy burdens, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:38. Do you remember in younger years staying up a bit too late and your parent or caretaker carrying you your sleepy, nearly limp body to bed? it always felt like such relief. Phew, I don't have to get up and walk out of the car or the couch to walk to my bed. That is doing the work for me. As adults, we don't really have that luxury anymore. Regardless of how exhausted we feel, we must stand up and walk ourselves to bed, or to work, or to school, to a meeting, etc. Our exhaustion in adulthood may be deeper than in childhood, but our resources often feel fewer. God may not literally carry us to bed, but he is the most valuable resource we could have. When we share our exhaustions, our worries with him, he carries them for us, lightening the load so we have more energy to take our weary selves to bed. Oh, so that's the devotion for this morning. Cast all your worries, all your cares, all your burdens onto God. You stop carrying it. Stop trying to carry it all on your own. It gets heavy. And when you feel like you're so anxious and you feel like kind of sad or depressed, that's just you holding on way more than what you're capable of holding on. A lot of times when we're so anxious and we're so worried about the future, that really means that we're putting too much on ourselves, and that's why God is there. God is there to cast all of the worries, all of the cares unto him, and he will take care of it. He will guide us. A lot of times where we feel like we can't do something, that's simply because we're not supposed to do it alone. So just remember that. I'm talking to myself as well. But yeah, let's continue to have a good morning. I'm about to log into my work, respond to a few emails, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. A breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free.
Guys, before our next meeting, that's another thing that I've just figured out that just helps me, especially with working from home. Just getting off the couch, sitting at a desk or a table, and then when I get those midday breaks or whatever, I just try to come sit outside for a little bit, not too long, especially depending on the sun's trying to come back out now, so we won't be out here for too much longer because I'll start sweating. But yeah, just coming outside, just taking a moment, reading my book, just letting her just do her thing or whatever. But it feels good. Just take the time to sit outside. I'm drinking my smoothie.
that Mexico meeting, and she's the one in charge of all the coordinators. Why wouldn't you invite Liz to that?
Oh, wow.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, like the black guy. You want some love, like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
All in all,
Empty-handed. I wonder,
make sure you do the same in whatever capacity that may look like for you. Love you, and always remember, you matter. Thank you for watching.
can we trust the stars above to let us know? Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let